It's a 2017 Mazda CX-5. Its inspired design stirs the soul, a not-so-subtle reminder that crossover doesn't have to mean bland. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, selective service internet access, and SKYACTIVA G engine. The Car Connection remarks, if you've come out of a sports sedan or a hot hatch and are moving up to a compact crossover, this is probably the way to go. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.